How to fix Valorant TPM 2.0 Windows 11 without BIOS. So if you want to fix that, then what you have to do is the first step, we need to press the window key plus R, or you can also go for the Windows, right click on that, and then you can go for run and open up your run. And once you've opened that, now you need to type gpedit.msc. And once you've done that, go for OK. And now it will open up the local group policy editor, right? So you need to simply expand this, and you need to go for administrative templates. You need to expand the administrative templates, then go for the Windows components. And once we are here, we need to expand the BitLocker drive encryption and go for operating system drives. Now you need to select it on the right side, click on the required additional authentication to startup, and right click on that and then click on edit. And once we are here, you need to click on enabled, and here on the bottom you need to simply allow all of that, allow TPM, and then allow startup pin with TPM, and then you need to again go for allow startup key with TPM. You need to simply choose all of these, allow. You need to allow all of that. Simply click on apply and then OK. Once we are done, close this window, and you need to again open up your run. You can go for the run, and then you need to enter temp and then OK. And once you've done that, you need to simply select all of these files from here. So select all of these files, and once you've selected, simply go for delete, which is on the upper side, and delete these files. And once you've deleted, and you need to again open up your run, right click on that and then open your run, and now you need to %temp and then % and OK. And from here you need to select all these files together and then hit the delete. And if something is not being deleted, then you can skip that. And once you've deleted all of that, you need to remove that window, and then you need to restart your device. Simply go and hit the restart button, and once you restart your device, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you fix your Valorant TPM 2.0 Windows 11 without BIOS. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.